Gwahahaha! Sup, chumps? Wait, I'm not supposed to have that. What's going on? Gwahahaha! That's much better. Gwrrr! Wait, where am I? Oh, I'm right over here. Gwrrr! What the? What the? Yes, remember me? What the? Who are you? I am Bowser.exe. What? There's a Bowser.exe now. Yes. Why do you have a hole in your shell? That's just artist mistakes, see? Well, why don't you stay non-transparent? Fine. Fine, but only because I hate having holes in my shell. Good, good, you should. Now, why do you have a dead Bowser Jr.? I killed him. He was in my way. What? I would. What the hell's wrong with you? I am the true God here. Yeah, God damn it, not again. First we had Sonic.exe, then we had Sally.exe. Oh my god, not again. Why is that a thing? Well, if we want to talk about your world, we had plenty of Mario.exes already. We had Mario.exe, we had the I Hate You thing, we had frickin' Yoshi.exe, we had all sorts of Mario.exes. What the hell? You mean to tell me that Red Plumber has a .exe? Yes, he made me into this. I don't like it. Oh, well damn, sorry about that then, other me. Yeah, so, what you're gonna do is we're gonna play a game, and if you refuse, I kill you. Alright, fine, so what game? Well, I did see you have Minecraft, won't we get some stuff for that? Fine, fine. So first we go to Nova Skin or whatever, cause my creator is too dumb to download Bowser stuff. Then we go to Bowser. I said, then we go to Bowser. Are you brainless? I believe your computer is against it. I do too, and I don't like it. Yes, me neither. It's stupid. Yeah. Yes. Hmm. How do you like this one? I love it. I want it immediately. Fine, fine. We will have that one. Yes, we shall. Download it. Fine, fine. Wait, what? What the fuck? I need to rename this. It's being a no-no. It's being sassy to the Koopa King. Alright, good, good. Wait, what's going on here? I do not like that. Yeah, me neither, honestly. Yeah, let's continue already, chumps. So we go into Minecraft or whatever it is. Believe it or not, my classic self actually did a video on this once. What? What do you mean? Yeah, like we had some sort of creative mode video way back when. What the hell? Your past self predicted me bringing you into this? I guess I have no idea. Okay, I am going to pause this recording for a minute. Be right back, chumps. Alright, I'm back. So now I'm in the game. Who the hell put this stuff in? This is. Whoever did this is a schmuck. Very much so. I agree with you there, other me. Yeah, this is chump movements. Yeah, what the hell? Yeah, what the frick is wrong with you people? Yeah, what the frick? Oh, we forgot to name it. The King of Koopas, Bowser. Well, you still kind of have that screamy voice when you scream your name. Wait, I do? Bowser. No, I don't, you liar. Yeah, true. Huh, well, let's continue. Play. What the hell? Oh, it's downloading it. Did you seriously never boot up Minecraft? I hate you. I hate my creator so much right now. Me too, buddy. Well, Nintendo's being a pest. Yes. So, do you have any other victims we could play with? Well, I do know a guy, but I don't know if we can find him yet. Well, let's try it. Alright, he's here. Where am I? Where am I? Well, Dark Bowser, you're here to play a game with us. But I don't want to play a game with you chumps. If you think you're stronger than me, you'll prove it. Fine, god damn. Alright. So the game we'll be playing is, hey EXE, you want to explain Minecraft? That's great. Yeah, I thought the same thing. But EXE loves to play games. Yeah, I sure do. Just like I love killing innocents and torturing you all for eternity. What the hell? No, not like that. Ugh, I hate it. I hate every fiber of you. Shut up. Well, it's not too far from you, Bowser. Shut up, Dark Me. Okay, fine. Now, where was I? Think. I'm not gonna sing that one. Bwah. Wait, I said the wrong line. Yes. Let's go already. Think I'll have enough time for this. Well, I'm out of luck because they're all schmucks. Wait, what? What did you say? Well, I have a better idea for a game we could play, which is what? Watch this. So first, we look up. Will you press the button? I've never played this one before, so basically it gives you choices, and you have to see if you press it or not. Okay, so I'll try my hand at the first one. Fine, EXE. Will you press the button? Your hair will always be lush, soft, and just the way you want it. But your nails will grow 2 times faster than normal. Hmm. Well, my hair's a mess anyway, so it's perfect. And my nails do need to be sharper, so I can stab my opponents into nothing. Well, I'm already perfect, but yeah, keep telling yourself that, but hey! Now my opinion is I would not press it, so I am not going to press it. Let's see. Oh, so not many of us agreed. Wow, that's stupid. Yeah. Hmm. Let's see here. Will you press the button here? You will be the best player of your favorite video game and be slightly famous from it. But all the money you make from playing it in competition will be burned in front of you after you win. What the hell kind of question is that? Yeah, what the hell? I would not like that. So hell to the no. Yeah, no. Seems people are getting a little smarter. Yeah, yeah. So, let's see this one. You become a Jedi, but you can never watch a Star Wars movie again. Well, what the fuck is Star Wars? Well, Dark Bowser, what the hell is wrong with you? I know I curse a bit, but that was too far. You said the F word. Yeah, so I'm literally better than you in every way. Oh yeah, name him. I'm blue, and I have spikier hair, and I have redder eyes. Oh, that's it. You're going down after this. All right then. So, let's get back to this. You become a Jedi, but you can never watch a Star Wars movie again. What the fuck is a Star Wars? Hey, Bowser.exe, do you know of a Star Wars? Well, I did once, but that was a long time ago. I only know Star Wars.exe now. What the hell is a Star Wars.exe? It's a lot creepier than regular Star Wars. You don't want to know. Okay then. Basically, Darth Vader stays alive and is so evil that he turns into a demon and murders everyone in the Star Wars universe. What the hell? Yeah, it's the good shit. Oh my god, what is with everyone and saying words like that? Okay, fine, let's go. I will press this button. Wow, cool. People are smart. Grammy, okay, you get 20 inches, no limitations, but every downside with the number doubles. I.e., if you lose 2 hours of your life every time you do blank, you now lose 4. Wow, that's clever. I say yes to that. Yes, same, 'cause I want to kill everyone. Wait, well, I'd say no. Shut up, Dark Bowser. Clever people. You're a bunch of murderers. Okay, so turn into any animal using your mind, but if you think about turning into an object, you are then stuck as that forever. Well, I don't real that doesn't really apply to us. We already have power-ups that turn us into this, into animals. Like you have the cat power-up that turned you into Meowser. Dark Bowser, I don't know what the fuck he has, and I have the cat.exe bell, which is an evil Meowser. Wait, what? Yeah, let's go with not doing it. Okay, fine. Wow, that's stupid. Oh wait, we didn't do it. Wow, that's smart. Okay, so you can read minds, but people can read yours. Oh crap, does that mean Peach would know? Oh, that I was coming to kidnap? In my world, I have already killed Peach. Wow, you're evil. Yeah. And also, hell no. Wow, that was smart. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. You have a superpower that allows you to improve any part of your body up to inhuman capacities. But you lose a lifespan each time you use it. Well, I want to kill people, so again, sure. Wow, Yuri. Yep. Wow, people agreed with you. I am amazed at humanity right now. I'm not. They're truly awesome. Shut up, Dark Bowser. Shut up, Dark Bowser. Next one. Will you press the button? Become a transformer. Hey, I want to read this one. Fine, Dark Bowser, take my reading. Become a transformer, but you rust exactly 1 year later and die. I will not be pressing that one. Yeah, that's a chump move, but sure. Well, what the hell, Dark Bowser? You really are a schmuck. Shut up, Bowser. Hey, that's our thing. Yeah, yeah, chump. So shut your mouth, Dark Bowser. Fine, fine. You can best write the best horror fiction of all time in your lifetime, but you have to live every moment of it if you want to show anyone. I already lived that. Mario.exe killed me and turned me into this, remember? Oh yeah, you did mention that. Wait, what? Yeah, it's a long story for him. Yeah, let's just press the button. Wow, nice. You will be a member. What? I will not be pressing that. That's a double negative for me. To hell with that. You have the. I am not liking these. Yeah, that means Mario's alive. Hell no. Wow, that was stupid. Yeah, yeah, for once. Religion will die, causing a massive shift in the ways humans think. People will eventually figure out everything, and everyone will become bored, and people will die. And it's just awful. Oh, I'm definitely pressing that. Bowser.exe, what the hell is wrong with you? A lot. Okay then. Well, would be infinitely rich, but be of the gender that you don't want to be. Hmm. I don't have any specific gender I don't want to be. I mean, people made me into Bowsette for fuck's sake. Sure. Why not? Yeah, what the hell? You can live in the house of your dreams, but you can't go outside. What the? That's ridiculous. I won't be pressing that though, because I, King Bowser Koopa, love my castle. Well, don't we all technically have evil layers? Well, true in a way. I mean, you have your. You have whatever you have. Dark Bowser has my taken over castle because of Fawful, and I have my castle. So I guess it doesn't really apply to us. So let's just do it. All right. Nice. Shut up, Dark Bowser. Shut up, Dark Bowser. Wait a minute, shouldn't you have a more accurate voice? Yeah, so hang on a minute. Still here is the dark power. I will not crush your puny hopes. What the hell? How do you do that? I am just skilled at this. I put on a stupid voice every day so you can and mock me, and I can be better than you. Well, okay then. Well, let's just move on. Here, let's move on before Dark Bowser starts freaking me out. Yeah. Yes. Roller, that's stupid. Able to stop the time, but cannot resume the time. So it could be an infinite genocide and people would never know. Of course, if you want to think of it in demonic, disturbing ways. Yep, I'm pressing this one. Alright then. What the hell, people? I hate these people so much. Actually, I love it. Wow, Bowser.exe, you're twisted. Yeah, and I thought I was twisted. What the? I am not that twisted compared to some other EXEs. Oh wow, name one. Luigi.exe. What? There is a Luigi.exe, and it's more scary than you? Yes. I got shocked too, believe it or not. Wow, what the hell? Yes. And I'd love to torture you and kill you and eat your flesh and then taste your blood. Oh, great. We got a murderer. Okay, fine, let's just do this. Good. You better let me kill you. Hell no. You get to explore the universe and visit other inhabited planets, but you can never return to Earth. Oh, fuck yes. An infinite Super Mario Galaxy. Who's the cursing one now? Yeah! Well, you're stupid. Yes, you are stupid. Right, I said that about Bowser.exe and you. Oh, we found the new dumbest one. It's Dark Bowser. Hey, shush. Well, let's just continue. What? And people are stupid. Will you press the button? You, how about Dark Bowser reads this one? He hasn't read it. All right. You get to go to Hogwarts, but you only get to work for Filch. Well, I've never heard of any of these, so sure, Filch sounds like filth. What? Does that mean like filth as in blood? Because if so, you made a good choice. I guess I have no idea. I am not. Well, we are technically guys. Plus, this applies to all of us because of Bowsette being a thing. Yeah, there's Bowsette.exe, then there's Dark Bowser.exe, and then there's Wait, no, we messed up. Yeah, there's Bowsette.exe, then there's Dark Bowsette, and then there's Bowsette in general. So, this can still apply to us. You can become a really hot girl at any time, but you trip over your own feet almost all the time. What the fuck? These people are strange. What the hell? Make this man stop. What the hell? Well, alright, let's just get on with this. You have the ability to identify the cure to any disease, but everyone who currently has the disease dies when you find the cure. Well, assuming you're gonna press it. I don't want to press it because I already know Dr. Bowser is his thing. And then Dark Bowser would press it to try to be stronger than me. Yep, yep. Alright then, the majority would press it. Fine. What the hell? Well, I hate these people. Yep. You will never have to eat or drink anything again to survive. But if you eat or drink anything again, you will die. Ooh, okay, let's do it. I mean, let's not do it. Okay, whatever. You're dead to me. Jesus Christ. Bacon is love. Bacon is life. Yes. What the hell? You will become famous beyond all imagination in every form of entertainment. But you can never speak normal again in your life. Don't I already do that? Entertain the dead by killing them and making them into the dead. And then I don't even speak normally. I'm a frickin' .exe. I have to speak in a demonic accent all day, every day. Well, that's gotta suck for you. I just scream all the time. Gotta suck for you, too. I'm not doing it. Wise choice. Hmm. Well, nice. That's stupid, though. You will have infinite money, but a child just besides what you purchase for at least a full week per month. Well, I mean, I can just ignore the child. So, ha. Well then, nice. Wah ha ha, clever. Well, Dark Bowser, why don't you read this one? Okay, you can go into any TV show of your choosing, i.e., live a life there. But you have to commit one crime of your choosing before you do so. Well, to be honest, I love to commit crime. I mean, I kidnap Peach on the daily, or I kill on the daily, so we have that in common. We both commit crimes. Yes, shut up, let's just press it. Alright. You're sick in the head. If you wanna be me, you gotta act like me. Shut up. Oh, well. Well, I personally like this. Well, well, you can have whatever you want whenever you want it, but you will never feel loved, wanted, or happy, and you will live as a hermit until you die. Hell no. Well, alright, let's keep going. God, this is starting to hurt the throat. Shame. Well, let's do one more and then we'll end it off. Cool. You'll get to spend the rest of your life with the person of your dreams. But they constantly cheat on you and openly admit it to you once a day. Hell no. Alright, that's stupid. We ended it on a very low note. But that was Bowser, Bowser.exe, and Dark Bowser playing Will You Press the Button? Bye, chumps. Poor chumps. Bye, freaks of nature.